Okay, this is Vernon Ross at RossPR on Twitter, and I am going to today show you how to get a great traffic ranking for your blog in 120 seconds or less. So we're not going to start the recording just yet, but what we are going to be doing is talking a little bit about why you need a great traffic ranking. Then we're going to start the recording, and I promise this should be no longer than about 6 minutes and 30 seconds. So let's go ahead and start. Basically, what you're going to do is, and yes, I did say that we're going to do this in 120 seconds. And yeah, I'm going to show you a 2-minute trick to help you climb in the rankings. And I say things sometimes, I may repeat myself, and the only reason I'm doing it is because the last time I said something like this to an audience, no one believed that it was actually going to be possible. And there's not going to be a big celebration at the end. It's just going to be what it is. So before we get started, let's consider a couple things about traffic rank and why it's important. A good traffic rank is going to mean more visitors to your website, which means more traffic to your website, blog, whatever you have online. That's going to mean potentially more customers, and potentially more customers mean more revenue. So, you got to get the eyeballs and big mouths talking about your site. You got to get people excited about what it is that you're doing, and the only way to do that is to generate traffic. The best way to generate traffic is to have a good Alexa ranking. And since we are talking about eyeballs and big mouths, that is going to help you build a community that gives you a ton of potential new customers. And customers equal revenue. And with that, we're going to go ahead and get started with this 2 minutes of getting this little site trick done. So as you can see, I am on, let's just widen this a little bit. I'm on Alexa. And Alexa, if you guys don't know, this is the one of the internet sites that tracks traffic data. So what you're going to have to do is you want to go out here to Alexa or Alexa.com site owners. And from that page, what you want to do is you want to go to the Alexa site widget. Now from here, I'm going to go ahead and start the timer, show you exactly how quick and easy this is to do. You want to click on Start, and you want to go to Alexa site widgets. And right here, you want to put in your web address for build widget. So we'll go to the blog at rosspublicrelations.com, and we're going to click on build widget. When you click on build widget, it gives you several different little banner codes that you can use. It's also going to give you the ability to have your little site rankings over here on the side, but we don't really want to worry about what this looks like because it's not actually going to go on your website. The thing that's going to go on your website is the code that's in here. So you want to copy this code, and I paste code like this into Notepad, and this is the code that's in Notepad currently. This is a code that was produced when I clicked on the build a widget and it gave me the code. So I'm going to go over here to my blog, and I've already logged in. What we're going to see right here is for your WordPress blog, what you're going to want to do is in your little text drop down, you're going to add that code. You want to copy that code into your blog. If you don't want the Alexa site widget to display, you simply need to put a div tag of div style equal display none. Close that quote. Make sure you close the div down here, and that, my friends, is the trick. Oh, I almost forgot. You click on save. Once you click on save, it's going to save that site code to your website. I put mine in the footer so that it's on every page of the website, so no matter where anyone lands, it is actually on the site. And that is it. 2 minutes have passed, and we are done. With that little site trick, what you're going to be able to do is increase your Alexa site rankings. You're going to find that you're going to quickly, over the next couple weeks, start those numbers are going to start dropping. So you're going to go from the most popular 9 million some odd thousand to maybe 2 million. So every time your site gets loaded, Alexa's going to track it. The only way that Alexa tracks websites is with the Alexa toolbar. So it's going to be a great thing for you, and hopefully you will see a big increase in your traffic. And if you like trainings like this and information like this, please like it, and like it on Facebook, and make sure to leave me some feedback, some comments, and let me know that you really enjoyed this. And if you did, great. If you didn't, I don't want to hear from you. Again, thank you. This is Vernon Ross at Ross PR on Twitter, and have a good night.